In a match of fluctuating fortunes, it was decided in the last ball of the match. Match number 56, with 2 rain interruptions at the Wankhede Stadium, Gujarat Titans defeated Mumbai Indians and ended their 6-match winning streak by 3 wickets to move to top of the points table, number 1 position with 16 points, the same as Royal Challengers Bengaluru, but they have a superior net run rate. Yes, Shubman Gill's Gujarat Titans top the table with superior net run rate and are almost assured of the playoffs position. Mumbai Indians, you can only blame their batsmen, though their bowlers brought them back into the game and took it to the wire. Put into bat, there were only 3 scores of double digits. None of the other Mumbai Indians batsmen crossed 9. Openers Ryan Rickelton and Rohit Sharma fell cheaply. It was left to the 3rd wicket partnership between Surya Kumar Yadav, who regained his orange cap, went ahead of Virat Kohli, scored 35 runs, and Will Jacks, number 3, scored 53, and the two of them shared 71 for the 3rd wicket. And finally, with Corbin Bosch scoring 27 runs, that gave some fillip to the Mumbai Indians total as they finished with 155 for 8 in 20 overs. Rohit Sharma went for 7 runs. Ryan Rickelton went for 2 runs in the very first over, bowled by Mohammad Siraj. And despite Gujarat Titans dropping 3 straightforward catches, 2 of them giving Will Jacks a fresh lease of life when he was on 0 and also on 29, and Surya Kumar Yadav dropped on 10. Gujarat Titans pulled things back towards their end by some brilliant spin bowling in the middle overs by Rashid Khan and Sai Kishore. In the 7 overs, amongst them, they gave away only 51 runs and took 3 wickets. So good was the Gujarat Titans bowling that in the space of 5.4 overs, they removed 5 Mumbai Indians batsmen, starting with Surya Kumar Yadav. When Mumbai Indians finally finished with 155 for 8, which was far below par score on a pitch that was used earlier for the match against Royal Challengers Bengaluru, where RCB posted 221 in their innings and defeated Mumbai Indians by 12 runs. It was also the same pitch on which Mumbai Indians chased successfully the target set by Chennai Super Kings, which was 177, and Mumbai Indians won by 9 wickets. But against Gujarat Titans, it's all credit to GT bowlers for restricting Mumbai Indians to 155 for 8. Certainly, it was a score of 200 or more that was expected on this particular surface. When Gujarat Titans began their run chase, there was a threat of rain as it had begun raining in the suburbs of Mumbai, and there was a windstorm, and yes, there were two interruptions during the GT run chase. Before the interruptions, for the first time, Gujarat Titans top three batsmen who have been scoring the major chunk of their total so far and who have been the main reasons for Gujarat Titans to be in the position that they are in right now, they were out, none of them scoring 50 plus. In fact, Sai Sudarshan was out for 5, consumed by the swing of Trent Boult in the second over and edging to wicketkeeper Ryan Rickelton for 5. Interestingly, it was only the third time in his IPL career of 36 innings that he has been dismissed for a single digit score. Shubman Gill and Josh Butler shared a partnership of 72, and that gave GT the momentum to successfully chase down. But left-arm medium pacer Ashwani Kumar, who came in as a concussion substitute for Corbin Bosch, who was hit earlier in the head during his innings of 27, Ashwani Kumar removed Josh Butler for 30 and Shubman Gill followed for 40 leg before to Jasprit Bumrah. This was immediately after resumption after a 27-minute rain interruption. At that point, Gujarat Titans were 107 for 2 and needed 49 from 36 deliveries. So immediately on resumption, Jasprit Bumrah struck in 2 overs, his third and fourth, removing Shubman Gill first and then Shah Rukh Khan later in identical fashion, bringing the ball in and the ball deflecting from the pads onto the stumps. In the intervening over, bowled by Trent Boult, he removed the 6-hitting Sherfane Rutherford for 28 runs. The match was in Mumbai Indians' favour, and there was another rain interruption with 2 overs remaining, and this one for 42 minutes, and the match resumed well past midnight at 12:30, at which point it was a 19 over innings for Gujarat Titans. So 1 over was reduced because of the time, and in that 1 over, Titans needed to score 15 runs. So their target was revised to 147 in 19 overs, and at the time of the second interruption, Gujarat Titans were 132 for 6 with Rahul Tewatia and Gerald Coetzee at the crease. Deepak Chahar bowled the 19th over. By then, Bumrah had finished his quota of 4 overs, gave away 19 runs and picked up those 2 wickets. Jasprit Bumrah, that is. Trent Boult also finished his 4 overs, gave away 22 runs and picked up 2 wickets. And Ashwani Kumar, the concussion sub, also finished his quota, bowling 4 overs, taking 2 wickets for 28 runs. So it was left to Hardik Pandya, who had earlier, in the only over that he bowled, the 8th of the Titans innings, it was a long over, an 11 ball over in which he bowled 3 wides and 2 no balls and totally gave away 19 runs. In fact, he gave away 18 runs in that only over, and how crucial it proved in the end result, you can guess. Match did resume with 1 over. Rahul Tewatia on strike. Deepak Chahar ought to have bowled sensibly, but he bowled a length delivery that was hit over mid-off for 4. A single of the second delivery reduced the equation to 10 runs from 4 deliveries. The third delivery, Gerald Coetzee smashed Chahar for a 6 over long off, and it became 4 runs from 3 deliveries. The third ball was a no ball, of which a single was taken, and the free hit also considered a single. So the equation came down to 1 run needed from 2 deliveries. The scores being level, there was more drama as Gerald Coetzee was bounced and he pulled top edging to deep backward square leg Namandhir to hold it on. So with a single needed of the last delivery, Arshad Khan drove straight to mid-off. Hardik Pandya fielded. The batsman took off for a single, but unfortunately Deepak Chahar did not take position at the wicket in the non-striker's end to gather the throw and attempt a run out. Arshad Khan and Rahul Tewatia completed a single and earned Gujarat Titans a sensational victory. So with this, 8 wins from 11 matches, 3 more to go, 2 of them being home matches. Gujarat Titans are all but assured of a place in the playoffs. For Mumbai Indians, they dropped down to 4th from 3rd position with 2 more matches to go. 12 matches, 7 won, 5 lost, and the first in 7 matches that they have lost, having posted 6 back-to-back victories prior to this. Man of the match for his captain's knock and shepherding the bowlers well in some tense situations was Shubman Gill. Wednesday, we'll see 10th position Chennai Super Kings, already eliminated, take on Kolkata Knight Riders, who are still alive in the competition, but they must win in their home ground if they are to remain in the race for the playoffs. Until then, take care, stay safe, have a nice day. Bye-bye.